Welcome to OsChannel friends. So the Termux app is one of the best Linux emulators as of 2021 to create a Linux environment on your Android phone. But one of the major problems that I face while installing packages is that it fails with this error saying that the repository is either in maintenance mode or down. There's actually a fix for this and that's what this video is about. So in order to fix this issue, you have to use this termux-change-repo command. And once you type this, hit enter and now select all the repos from this list using spacebar and now hit OK. And in the next screen, which is important, you have to select the perfect mirror or the proper mirror. And usually Albatross works for me, but if it doesn't work for you, you can try out other mirrors until you get success. So I'll just select Albatross using space and then hit OK. And now you can see this command automatically runs apt update, and at the end of it, you can also see that I didn't receive that problem again. So let's just run apt update once again just to confirm, and you can see that I haven't received this issue again. So that fixes it for me, but if it still doesn't fix for you, I also have a GitHub page which contains a lot of other mirrors, so you can try out these using the Vim editor and edit the source file for the repos, and that should absolutely fix your issue. If it still doesn't fix for you and you find a solution, do let me know in the comments below. And that's all for this video guys. Do hit the like button if I helped you solve the issue. Subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.